Hello student, this is the first lecture of your Unit 5. Uh, in this first lecture, I will discuss introduction of communication system, different components of the system and their importance. तो बेसिकली इस लेक्चर में हम कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम का बेसिक जितने कंपोनेंट्स है उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम होता क्या है, कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम करने के लिए कितने प्रकार के ब्लॉक्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, क्या क्या चैनल की रिक्वायरमेंट होता है। ऑल दोज थिंग आई विल डिस्कस इन दिस लेक्चर and this is the basic lecture of your unit 5. Then from second lecture we will continue our communication system, which is based on the types of communication system and other topics. So let's start. So first I will discuss about block diagram of communication system. So basic definition, we should know what is communication. So understand, if I have a information and I want to send that information to the another person, so what I have to do? If person is in front of me, then I will directly say to him all those information. But if person is far away from me, then what I have to do? I have to transmit my message through any channel, and after that person, another person will receive that message. Okay, so here we can see the basic definition. Communication is the transfer of information from point A to point B, usually electricity or magnetism. If you want to send any information through wire, okay, so you need electricity or current, voltage in the form of current or voltage. If you want to send any information which is far away, your receiver is far away, then you send your information through antenna, and it will goes through space and in the form of magnetic wave. And then at receiver side also one antenna available, and antenna will receive that magnetic wave, and it will convert that magnetic wave into the electrical wave using the lots of the process. So that all those process I will discuss in this lecture. So basic communication definition is transfer of information from point A to point B. Okay, so this is the mainly communication. Here you can see in this picture, one boy has this something and other boy has same thing. Okay, so he want to talk using a wire connected that point. Okay, so he is talking, and another boy is trying to listen this thing. So this is also one kind of a communication. Okay, now communication system can be divided into three parts: transmitter, channel, receiver. As I told you before, for the sending any data or any message to the second person, what you have to do? You have to transmit that message through transmitter, and that message, after transmitting that message, it will travel in a medium. That medium is known as channel. Okay, so after traveling that this channel, at the receiver side, receiver will receive that your message signal, and it will convert into the particular form which is required. So basic, there are 3 points for the communication system: transmitter, channel and receiver. In the next slide we will discuss one by one about transmitter, channel and receiver as well. So here in the right side there is some picture is also predicted here. Here at the left is a transmitter. Transmitter is transmitting message, and it is at the antenna. There is a long antenna, and after that it reached to the receiver. Okay, so transmitter send, it will sensed by your antenna, and it after sensing that message, antenna sent that message to the receiver side, and receiver also received your message, and after getting that message, your communication has been completed. Okay, so this is the basic pictures about your communication system. Okay, so next point. Block diagram of communication system. So as I told you, there are three blocks: transmitter. At the lowest side you can see there is transmitter, channel and receiver. Now we will talk about transmitter. So in the transmitter section there are total four blocks. First one is information source. You have information, it may be in the any form like sound data or any kind of form. Okay, that information maybe you want to change into the another form. Like modulator is a circuit diagram, so in circuit you need electric wave, electric current. Okay, and in the information source you have sound wave. So what you will do, you will send your information to the transducer, and transducer convert your wave into the electrical form. So transducer is a device which convert one form of energy into the another form of energy. Okay, so it converted into electrical wave. Now modulator is what? Modulator is a device which uh, superimposed your low frequency signal to the carrier frequency. Okay, so this is a modulator. Now next, what is required, you need to amplify your source signal. So their amplifier is also connected. Now all information has been completed. Now what is your required, you want to send information through through your what space. So in that regard, what is required, antenna is a device which convert electric wave into the electromagnetic wave. Okay, so through antenna it will transmit am wave propagating through the channel. Now this is all, this section is known as transmitter section. Okay, if we talk about after channel, the at the end point, what is required, receiver section. So receiver section, first one antenna is connected, because antenna is a device which convert electrical wave into the electromagnetic wave, as well as electromagnetic waves into the electrical wave. So here antenna will receive your electromagnetic wave, it convert that wave into the electric current, and after that your signal is very weak. So for that amplifier is connected here. Amplifier, what amplifier do, amplifier just increase the amplitude of your received message signal, received signal, not message signal, because signal has message as well carrier. Now now we want to separate your message signal and carrier signal. For that, demodulator is connected after the amplifier, and demodulator just separate your message signal from the modulated signal. Now that message signal may be in the electrical form, maybe not, surely it will be in electrical form, and you send message signal in the sound wave. So how you will convert from electrical to sound wave, using transducer will convert electrical wave to sound wave. This is the original message signal. Now this is all process of your communication system. These all block has individually work, and I will discuss one by one. First this is the about basic diagram, block diagram of communication system. You have to understand all the work of all the blocks individually. Now I will discuss one by one. Transmitter section. So what is the transmitter section? There is information source, transducer, modulator, amplifier, transmitting antenna. So all these things I have discussed also, and those things are written here. It is used to generate message signal, which may be in the form of audio, video or data. Transducer, it is device which convert one form of energy into the different form. Modulator, here message signal is superimposed on the high frequency carrier wave so that it can cover long distance. Amplifier, this block is used to enhance the strength of signal before transmission. What is transmitting antenna? It is used to convert electrical signal into the electromagnetic wave which can travel in atmosphere. Okay, now channel. So one most important part of our communication system is channel. So channel is a medium through which our signal will transmit. Okay, so the output of transmitter section travels through the path or medium to reach the receiver. This path or medium is called channel. There are several types of channels such as wired channel and wireless channel. So what is wired channel? Medium is physical, means transmitter to receiver connected by through wire. Okay, so because it is physical. that is optical fiber, coaxial cable, etc. And what about wireless? Medium is air. Okay, so it is not physical. Just like here you are using mobile phone or any phone, it is a wireless communication system. Okay, receiver section. The receiver section contains receiving antenna, amplifier, demodulator, transducer. So receiving antenna, it used to convert desired electromagnetic wave into the atmosphere into the electrical wave. Okay, amplifier, this signal at the receiver suffered from various type of losses and become weak. So an amplifier is used to increase its strength as usual. Okay, demodulator, here carrier wave is separated from the massive signal. Okay, means it is the inverse of modulator to convert electrical signal to the original signal. This is the work of transducer. So this is the all those about your first lecture, and I think this is very basic idea about your communication system. You have got what I have told you, and all those things are in a simple way. Still you have any confusion in this lecture, you can comment me, and I will try to discuss more clearly. If you have any problem in my next video or further video, so hope you enjoy this lecture. Okay, best of luck.